Hi everybody, it's Nana here, and I'm out on the farm this morning, and I wanted to do just a quick little video just to show everybody what I was out here doing. I'm actually doing a food demonstration. As you can see right here, we've got some prepping going on. We're doing some pasta, and we're chopping some veggies and some fresh sage. Let me see if I could turn this around for you. I don't think I tried this yesterday and it didn't work. So anyway, this is wonderful stuff going on out here. We have a recipe that we are going to do that is diabetes friendly, and we're using sage as one of our main ingredients because sage is packed full of antioxidants, helps lower your blood glucose. It's very good for oral support, meaning tooth care. You can add it to toothpaste. It's good for abscess. It's good for bad breath. Gosh, it's so wonderful. Sage has a lot of healing properties in it. And so I love to use sage when I'm at home and cooking. I try to use an essential oil sage because you just get a much stronger concentrate. But when you're cooking a dish like this and you want to see lots of fun colors and textures, fresh is best. Always fresh is best. So with that, I got to get out of here because I got some more prepping to do, and it looks like maybe the film crew is going to be here any minute. So I just want to say, stay green, stay blessed, make one healthy choice today, add some sage to your diet, look it up, educate yourself. Love you all, and we'll see you soon.